Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert bullets in the text box of Excel. So the first step is to go to Insert tab, and here you will see the icon A slanted, and here if you click here you will see the text box option. Click on that and you will see that your cursor has changed. So here, while pressing the Alt key, you need to drag your cursor to the cells you want to convert into text box. And there you go, you will see a big rectangle box. Here you will need to type something like, "Hey, Lucy." So if you write these and right click on the text, you will find the option of bullets in this drop down menu. If you click on the arrow next to it, you will see several bulleting options. You can also change it in numbered bullets like this. And there you go, you have inserted bullets in the text in Excel. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.